Hey doodlers, I'm Doodle Dog. Grab a pencil and let's draw together. Today we're going to draw a simple kitty. Let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right up here at the top of the page. I'm going to start by drawing the cat's top of its head here. And it's just a simple curved line over like this, like that. And now we'll draw the ears. So we're going to do kind of a triangle curved shape up like this for one ear, up like this, and then down. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Okay, now let's do the other ear. So we're going to go up here, starting over here where we started the drawing, up, and we're going to curve it back down and stop right about there. Now let's draw the sides of the kitty's head. So we'll do a big curved line down and stop right about here. So like this. And let's do the other side, a curved line down like this, starting here. Like that. Okay, let's draw the inside of the ears, and this is going to be kind of a zigzag line. So we'll start up here, just down from the top of the ear, and we'll do a little curved line down like this, and then we'll zig back, zag this way, and zag this way. Like that. And let's do the same on the other side. So down from the top of the ear, we'll do a little zig here, and then a little zag, and a little zig, and a little zag, like that. That looks good. Okay, now let's draw the kitty's eyes. So we'll start right here. We'll draw one circle here. Ready? Starting right about here. Let's draw a circle about this size. All the way around and then back to the top. And let's do the same on this side. All the way around, circle, and back to the top, like that. And let's add some highlights inside of those eyes. And there's a smaller circle inside of the bigger circle. So just starting here, we'll do a small circle like this. Do one on the other side, like this. And we'll color it in black. We want to keep this kitty simple, so anyone can draw it. And remember, there's no mistakes, just doodles. It's important to just have fun and draw whatever you like. Okay, now, right in the middle between those two eyes, let's do the little kitty nose. And we'll make it a little triangle nose, kind of with the rounded edges like that. Oh, that looks cute. Okay, now let's do the smiley face for the kitty. So this is just a curved line between the two eyes, starting right about here. And we'll curve it up like that. And maybe we'll do little tiny cheek lines on either side like that. And let's open the kitty's mouth and have her smiling. So just a U shape down like this and back up, and then the tongue. And let's color the inside black. And let's draw a line down the middle from the nose to make her look like a kitty muzzle. Okay, now let's do some eyebrows above those eyes. That one there, one here. That looks great. Okay, now let's do some whiskers on this kitty's face. Ready? So 3 whiskers. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's draw the kitty's body. So starting here at the bottom of the head, we're going to do a curved line down to where it meets the foot or the paw on the kitty. So just a curved line like this. And then we'll do kind of a half circle line here, kind of an oval line shape with a foot. And then we'll do a curved line back up for the front leg. that. And then we'll do the other foot. So starting here, we'll do a line up like this. And then we'll do the other paw, front paw, down, and we'll loop it around like that. And now let's go back up here and we're going to do a curved line that connects to the bottom of the paw. So here, so starting here, we'll do a curved line down, like that. And now let's do the back legs. So we'll start on this side and we'll do a C-shaped line. So just a curved line down like this, and then another curved line for the back paw like that. And we'll do the same on the other side. It's a kitty that's sitting down. Curved line like that. And then we'll do sort of a backwards C shape here. Like that. And let's draw the toe line. So maybe one toe line, two toe line, two on each foot maybe. Like that. And now no kitty is complete without a long kitty tail. So let's draw a big S-shaped kitty tail coming off the back here. So curved line that goes up. We're gonna go up like this and then loop it around and then curve it and have it go back down to the body. Like that. Wow! I love how this drawing is coming together. Let's color it in. I'm gonna make mine a purple kitty, but you can make your kitty any color you want. You can make her more of a real kitty color, like a brown or a gray or a black cat or kitty, or a white cat. You can even do a white cat and leave it white and just add some color on the tongue. I just thought it'd be silly to make it a purple cat. Okay, let's make the nose pink. I'll make the tongue red. And remember, every artist signs their doodle. Keep drawing and have fun. Remember, there are no mistakes, only doodles. Bye! Ask your parents to like and subscribe.